took the pain that you gave me and turned it to a hustle. I took the money you gave me and got about the struggle. I took the love that you gave me and gave it to another.
What's up, Shanjati Mafia? I'm back again today with another video. Today I have just a loaded potato. It has shrimp, sausage, chicken, and broccoli with Parmesan, with homemade pasta sauce. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to go ahead and get into this video. This video may not be long, y'all. It may not be long. But I just wanted to come today to show our face, well, to show my face. JC have not been feeling good, y'all. And I just went through, well, just left the dentist and got my mouth and stuff looked at it and got my wisdom teeth scheduling and stuff done. So we just been basically handling business. I wish I could taste this. But y'all can't. Y'all, this pasta sauce right here. How y'all been doing? Have y'all missed us? Or did y'all just miss me? Did y'all miss us or me? This food's so bomb. Just look at it. Wow. That is good. That is good. It's so meaty. There's so much meat in this food, y'all. So, up under this video right here, comment some questions. Please. I ain't do no thumbnail. Okay. Because I forgot all about the thumbnail. That potato. Oh, I got some sausage, shrimp, and chicken in this bite. And I love my own pasta sauce. Like, I don't know if y'all knew, like, how much I genuinely love my own cooking. If they conceited, I think that's a little conceited. But can't nobody in this world. Oh, did y'all see that? Can't nobody in this world tell me my cooking is not good, because I'm not gonna believe them. Because I'm so used to eating it, and it be just so good to me. But you know, everybody don't think the same. You know what I mean? See. No, I'm turning it back around. I ain't got to see slop on the plate. I swear there's just a whole lot of stuff put on the plate. I'm getting full. I am getting full. I really don't be having nothing to talk to y'all about. If y'all just wait to see what we got coming so soon for y'all. Just wait. And y'all be like, ain't no way the mafia done did it like this for us. No way. I swear we doing it so big for y'all. We got literally so much in store for y'all. Y'all gonna be amazed. Like, we love y'all. That's why we taking our time to do this for y'all. Because we want to do more than what we said we was going to do for y'all. Way more. I was on cheese. If y'all ain't never tried it, try it. Try it. So good. Ooh, y'all I'm getting full. I'm gonna take one more bite. I can't even keep forcing myself to eat. I'm trying to eat it all for y'all, but I ain't gonna be able to do it. It's gonna be one big bite too, y'all. Look at that. Look at that big old bite. This last one for real now, y'all. For real, for real. You know how you eating something and it be so good, and you don't want to just stop eating it, but you know you full, and you don't want to make yourself sick. Now that was a big bite. Forget the first one. My mouth just got a damn hole into it. Anyways, y'all, I'm done eating. So I'm out this thing. Oh, look at my shirt. I want y'all to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so y'all can be notified when we post another video. I love y'all. Well, we love y'all. Anyways, y'all, we up at this thing. Mafia.
Give me for all I heard about pain pills, won't ease the pain. Mary Jane keep a nigga sane. I've been going through the